I don't want no scrap, want no scrap, want no scrap. Hanging out the passenger side of his bed.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Tori and I'm back with another video. So it is around 6:30 and I decided to do the Aztec clay mask. So I've been having this, for those who don't know, it's the Indian healing clay. Let's make this focus. Okay, so basically it's considered the world's most powerful clay, and I heard you can use it for your hair and for your skin. So I know most people use it with raw apple cider vinegar and or water, but so I have apple cider vinegar, but I don't have the Bragg's one that everyone's been using. I think I have like regular apple cider vinegar that I bought for a while now, and it's diluted with water, 5% acidity. So I read online that it doesn't really matter which one because you can use this with only water. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this in it, mix it up, add some water and see. And then so I'm gonna do, once again, so I'm gonna do a little bit of the apple cider vinegar, the Aztec clay, and then some water. And I also heard that using like a little bit of lemon helps with dark spots. So I'm gonna mix all of those and apply it to my face and hope it doesn't burn off. So let's get into it. The girl that I watched, she said she put, all right, let's go. Because I've had this for so long, but I have not done this.
I mean, like, seriously, one of the most mixed with apple cider vinegar.
Okay, so she said a tablespoon of the powder. So let's see. All right, this is 1 tablespoon. So we're gonna, and I have a plastic container because I heard it's not good to do it in anything other than plastic because it messes with the chemicals. So let's get into it. I have my, also a plastic spoon because once again, nothing, no metal. And let's see. I'm so nervous. I've never used this before. Ugh, that's messy. Okay, so I got the tablespoon, and now I need to cover it before it gets all over my stuff. Okay, I'm put it. So this is the amount that's in. It might be a little hard to see it. And then I'm going to do just 1 cap of this, like she said. She said she does 1 or 2. I'll link the video below that I watched, by the way. So I'm gonna do 1 cap. It smells horrible. And we're gonna see. Y'all hear that? And then a cap of water. Probably 2 cups because this cap is pretty small. I might need to put more water because this is not enough for my face. But I am gonna add the lemon. I'm not gonna add all of it though. Because my skin is way too sensitive. It is getting to a paste though. It smells horrible. Now I'm gonna use this makeup brush that I don't use it for makeup. I use it to apply mask, and I'm gonna use that to apply this onto my face, which is clean, by the way. I just took a shower and did my exfoliating. So let's see. I'm gonna do a little part first, just to see how it feels, just to see if it's burning, because child, I don't know if I put too much water, but this is the only way I could get it to go over my whole skin. I'm gonna put it on my nose because I tend to have dark spots. I always get pimples on my nose, which is so annoying. In my T-zone, so I always get it right here, my nose, and down here. And I've been breaking out down on my chin this past few weeks like crazy. Like, I don't get them anywhere. I don't get pimples anywhere else but on my chin, and it's so annoying. That's another reason why I decided to try this mask, because I was like, you know, I don't know how this thing works with metal, so I don't know if it reacts a certain way, so I'm gonna just take my nose ring out until I'm done with it, cause I'm not trying to not have a nose by the time this is done. It doesn't feel any weird way on my face though, I will say. Like, I don't feel like it burning. Like, I've used Aztec clay mask, but I've used the virgin that's already in a bottle, and when I put that on, like, around my nose tends to burn, but so far this one hasn't been burning. Or maybe it's just not. Maybe the vinegar that I use isn't helping, or maybe this is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so I have applied it, and we're gonna see if it dries on my face. I'm gonna leave it for like 20 minutes. I know most people say 30 and 10 to 15 if you're sensitive, so I'm just gonna do the median between the two and leave it for 20, and I will be back to tell you how this went and wash it off, and yep, I'll be back. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's been about 20 minutes and it's already, let me zoom in so y'all. As you can see, it's cracking, child, cracking. I can't even move my face, like, it is so tight, so tight. But I'm about to go wash it off, and then, oh my god, the more I talk, the tighter my face feels. But I'm gonna go wash it off, and then I'll come back and check in with y'all. Let me zoom back out. Okay. Alright, you guys, so I removed the Aztec clay mask, and it came off really well. All you do is use some warm water and just rub it. It's better to also use like a washcloth and rub it against your skin, or it takes really long to get it off. But my skin feels so good. Like, It feels really good. I can definitely tell a difference already. Usually my T-zone ear right here tends to be so rough, but like nothing. And my chin, like I said, has been breaking out. So it felt like a bit like rough because it had so many like different pimples on it. And now it's like really smooth. So yeah, my face is really dry though. So I am gonna use some Ambi Fade Cream if this thing will focus. Yes, I'm gonna use some Ambi Fade Cream. That's what I normally put on my face every day just to get rid of dark spots and to moisturize my skin. I usually put a toner as well, but because I put so much different products on my face, I'm just gonna moisturize it since it's nighttime and I'm just gonna go to sleep anyways. But I can definitely see a difference in my skin already. I'm gonna try to use it like once a week to see if it does anything, like any major changes, and I will keep you guys updated. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will be putting out more content, so make sure you like and subscribe. I am gonna try to keep up with this and try this mask once a week and see if there's any change, so I will keep you updated. And I repeated that earlier. I don't know why I keep repeating this, but yeah, I hope you like this video. Bye.